What if I told you that the man who helped create social media is now betting his entire legacy on the future of money? This is the story of Jack Dorsey and his company, Block, a company that could either dominate the future of finance or collapse under the weight of crypto volatility. In 2009, after the global financial crisis shook America, small businesses were struggling to accept card payments. Traditional banks charged high fees, and payment machines were expensive. Jack Dorsey saw a simple problem with a powerful solution. What if every smartphone could become a credit card machine? That idea became Square, a small white card reader that plugged into a phone and allowed anyone to accept payments instantly. It was simple, affordable, and revolutionary. Small businesses loved it. Square grew rapidly across the United States, but Jack Dorsey was not thinking small. He wanted to build an entire financial ecosystem. That is when Cash App entered the picture. Cash App allowed users to send money instantly. It offered a debit card. It allowed people to invest in stocks. And most importantly, it allowed users to buy Bitcoin. This was not just a payment app anymore. It was becoming a digital bank for the next generation. Young users adopted it quickly. Cash App downloads exploded. Revenue increased dramatically. Then, in 2021, something shocking happened. Jack Dorsey stepped down as CEO of Twitter. The world was surprised. Why would someone leave a global social media empire? The answer was focus. He believed the future was not social media. He believed the future was financial freedom and Bitcoin. Soon after, Block changed its corporate name to Black. This was not just a rebrand, it was a signal that the company was building financial blocks for the internet economy. Block invested heavily in Bitcoin. The company even held Bitcoin on its balance sheet. Jack Dorsey publicly stated that Bitcoin could become the native currency of the internet. Block also began exploring Bitcoin mining systems. This was a bold move. Some investors called it visionary, others called it reckless. When Bitcoin surged, Block's stock price benefited. When Bitcoin crashed, Block's stock suffered. The company's future became closely tied to crypto performance. Competition in Fintech also increased. PayPal continued expanding. Stripe gained massive business clients. Traditional banks improved digital services. Yet Block maintained one key advantage. It understood younger users better than legacy banks. It built products that felt simple and modern. Now, Block is trending again. Search volumes are rising. Investors are watching closely. Strong earnings reports and Bitcoin momentum are driving renewed interest. But risks still remain. Crypto regulation could tighten. Economic slowdowns could reduce consumer spending. Market volatility could impact growth. At the same time, the opportunity is massive. The world is moving toward a cashless economy. Digital payments are increasing globally. Bitcoin adoption continues to grow. If Bitcoin becomes mainstream, Block could benefit enormously. If crypto fails, Block could face serious pressure. This is a high-risk and high-reward story. Jack Dorsey lives a minimalistic lifestyle and focuses intensely on long-term goals. He believes in decentralization and financial freedom. Some see him as a genius building the future. Others see him as a gambler taking extreme risks. History will decide who is right. Block is not just a company, it is a bet on the future of money. It is a bet on Bitcoin. It is a bet on digital freedom. And ultimately, it is a bet on Jack Dorsey's vision. The question is simple. Will Block become a financial giant of the next decade? Or will it become another ambitious tech experiment that moved too fast? The future is being built right now, and Block is right at the center of it.